Good morning, squad. I hope everyone is doing well this morning or whatever time of the day that it is. I don't know when you're watching it. It could be good morning, good afternoon, good evening, but whatever it is, I hope it's good to you. So, I'm here today. Get ready to do some work, sis. Yes. Get ready to do some work. Having my coffee. Those of you who saw the shot with me, I wasn't doing a haul, but I did purchase this cup that says "Let's Stay In Pumpkin." I thought it was cute and cozy. I like the way it looked. It gives me that fall vibe, you know what I'm saying? I gotta get in the fall vibe. Fall is not my favorite season, but I do like fall, like decorating for it and cozying up, that stuff. So anyway, for those of you who are new to this channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I am glad to have you here. And if you like the contents of this video or any video that I do, which I do DIYs, home decor, lifestyle, beauty, please hit that subscribe button and the button next to it, the bell next to it, so every time I upload a video, sis, you will be notified. And to my squad, welcome back, squad. Thank you for joining me in another video. So this video oh my goodness, let me just take a sip. I probably should have some vodka in here, but that's okay. I'm out here in the backyard. I'm gonna show y'all my workstation. This is my workstation. Yes, your girl is a towel cutter. That's my new position. So I got my goggles, I got my gloves. So yes, I'm doing backsplash in the kitchen. I figured I'll do it myself, my DIY. So wish me luck. It's been going okay so far, but I've been having some trials and tribulations going on over here. You hear me? I mean, some real trials. But okay. So I'm going to get this backsplash done. Hopefully, I hope today, because this has been going on for a couple of days. Like, my whole backyard is trashed. You hear me? Just from this one project. And I want to get this project done so that I can straighten up everything and, do what I do. So I'm going to get back to you guys. I'm going to show you guys how I do my cuts. Hopefully they turn out right, but yeah. So let's get started on that.
The afterglow of this daily war. I need so much more than just holy water. The wind is wrong.